Samplead reviews. Features, pricing, and alternative. AnyBiz. Are your sales efforts meeting your expectations? The right tools can greatly impact your success in today's fast-paced market. Samplead is a generative AI platform designed to streamline sales processes for businesses of all sizes. Samplead uses AI to automate prospecting, tailor messaging, and optimize sales sequences, boosting efficiency and conversions. It revolutionizes sales by focusing on timely, trigger-based marketing for optimal lead engagement. Core features of Samplead: AI-driven lead generation, customized outreach, sales sequence optimization, analytics and reporting, CRM integration. Samplead offers demos for a first-hand experience but lacks transparent pricing or a free trial option, potentially complicating decision-making for customers needing quick cost insights and service testing before committing. Samplead streamlines lead generation and messaging with AI, enhancing sales team efficiency. It integrates well with CRM systems but lacks transparent pricing and a free trial, making cost evaluation challenging. Effective use depends on data quality and may require expertise, posing potential challenges for smaller teams. When comparing Samplead with AnyBiz.io stands out with its extensive AI-driven automation throughout the sales process, from prospecting to closing deals. It replaces traditional sales development representatives with AI sales agents capable of strategic decision-making based on extensive data analysis. AnyBiz.io operates continuously across global time zones, ensuring no missed opportunities, and offers advanced features like personalized multi-channel communication and automated email responses. These capabilities make AnyBiz.io a compelling choice for businesses seeking comprehensive, efficient sales automation solutions compared to Samplead. Just before you go, take a moment to show your support. Give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay in the loop with our latest releases.